Hi guys! Good morning, it's Monday. It's foggy outside. It says park brake limit function service required. Something wrong. Park brake, electric park brake. And let's go check. Okay, go. Where's the key? Okay, I can explain in more detail. Usually it's parking brake motor. I see the wire diagram, ABS module, and then each parking brake motor actuator, and then each side connector, and the middle connector is here. So this connector connected to the truck bed side firmly connected, like it is here. Yeah, this one. 6-pin is here, C422. Is connected to truck bed, and then other connected each brake caliper actuator motor. So I can't explain more detail why broken. It's normal driving and normal height and driving like this, and it doesn't have the moving up and down. And then you're driving the uneven road and then countryside or bumpy road, and then truck and roadie and up and down suspension. So the wire is stretched and then shrink, and the flexible area is much repeat, and then finally this area is broken. So this connected to truck bed side, and this attached area attached to axle housing. So now like this installed the wire, and then truck driving and then moving up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So finally, and then repeat, this flexible area is broken. So you see that this one, previous guys dia and repaired the wire, so they're broken again because the soldering area so much stiff, it doesn't flexible. It isn't flexible anymore. So broken again. So I strongly recommend that if you fix the wire, avoid this area, avoid the moving area, and then much longer wire attached to two spots and a fixed wire. But this wire is not much expensive. I just recommend to replace the whole wire. It's the easiest. This side disconnected wire, and the other two side motor wire, and you guys can fix it. So that's it. More flexible area. I showed this one. Yeah, I draw the picture. Yeah, the truck is an up and down even road, and a more flexible area like this, bend and straight, and then finally attach the frame housing side wire is broken. So that's the issue. It's been 2 months sitting here outside, so hopefully starting is better. It totally dead. Okay, I'm stuck in the snow. I bring the bigger booster pack. Stupid truck right there. Okay, let's try. I need a bigger booster pack. Halfway this here in the snow. Brake maintenance mode. Gotcha, start! Woo! I win! Uh-huh! Brake service, something. Let's go check. Oh, it was so hard to start. This battery totally drained because the truck has been sitting there for 2 months. Yeah, I diagnosed before, and the wire, yes, the right-hand actuator motor wire short to the ground, actually rear axle housing. So I fixed the wire anyway. Yeah, I showing the how to processing, how to diagnose it, and then we got the code is 2008 and 1034. It's just right-hand motor function. It's right-hand motor actuator kind of circuit. So this video showing the how to diagnose it, how to check the rear brake, park brake wire function. So yeah, I checked the continuity from the ABS module because the ABS module control the parking brake actuator, and I checked the circuit right-hand actuator motor number 1 to be ground to the ABS module number 12. So the continuity is good like this, number 0.5 or 0.0 ohm. I also checked the other wire, yellow, green, and right-hand actuator number 2 to the ABS module number 13 is also continuity is in a spec. So it was so confusing. It doesn't open the wire, but it's something wrong. Still keeps it hold the right-hand brake actuator motor. Yeah, so it took a time. I hold through the wire, and I finally found this point. Yeah, it's a wire, bigger wire goes down from the truck bed, and then I take out the point. Yeah, I showed the, yeah, look at that. This here is go to the ground, go to the axle, go to the axle. Yeah, I clean up the, shows the, where is the go to the ground is more detail. You can see the wire short to the axle housing. Yeah, this truck driving the countryside, and the last mud and sand between wire to the axle housing, and the rubbing, and then finally dispointed short to the axle. Yeah. Now the bad thing is the actuator motor keeps working, and the brake caliper pops out. Just keep working, and then yeah, the brake roller and the pad is almost worn out. It's matter to matter. So we ordered the brake roller and pad caliper. It's almost 2 months. At this point, you guys see that if you're driving the F150 and then electric parking brake, and then you check this point regularly. Yeah. This one is other case, is kind of third case, parking brake issue. 2010 F150, it shows the same message, parking brake limited function service required, and yellow warning sign here. Yes, that means something parking brake problem. Yeah, I pulled the code from the ABS module. It has C27 right-hand motor actuator, the kind of motor code on it. I tried continuity circuit middle connector at the top of the axle housing to the right hand motor connector, and then I tried the pops on right hand motor connector, and I found the motor neck wire is corroded. It's open circuit like this. So yeah, this motor connector is something problem. Yeah. Fortunately, both supplies motor connector pigtail. So I ordered the pigtail. I tried to replace this side pigtail. I got the part pigtail is here. Number is WPT 1690. basic part number 14S011. Yeah, like this. Yeah, it supplies the big tail. Yeah, I pinched the metal place and firmly I soldering again upside, and then I shrink a tube, applied this one, and then I fixed the wire, and then I cleared the code. Everything's good. Thank you for watching.